we're going to be talking about SmartCharts and their founder, Greg Secker. I just came back from the office, and Merry Christmas to you all. I had the most amazing time. Not only do I feel comfortable now, not only have I seen something that I truly believe is the biggest innovative platform of the last 5 years, okay, going into 2025, I know for sure I'm going to make a crazy amount of profit using this, okay? It's also the world's first in its own niche, and I'm going to show you that. Plus, the founder, Greg Secker, is the most transparent, honest founder I've seen in any financial platform today. Let's get into this, guys. Going over SmartCharts and Greg Secker. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. I'm going to be making hundreds of these videos, so get ready and let's roll. Platform I'm talking about, guys, the world's first AI trading analysis platform, and it is actually ridiculous. It's unbelievable how well this can develop your trading. I'm going to show you that. I'm actually going to talk about the founder, the CEO, the owner, all right, because I actually went to the office and had the pleasure of meeting Greg Secker, and I can tell you right now, if there is a single strain of doubt in your head if you should get involved with SmartCharts or who Greg Secker is, please let this video change that view, because that man is incredible. The knowledge, the transparency, everything built around this company is something I want to be involved with for a long time. So as we log in to SmartCharts, you can see up here, guys, on the chart section, what exactly does this do differently. So when you go to no strategy, what SmartCharts has is multiple strategies that Greg himself has developed. All right, and with these strategies, you can use them and actually add them to your trading journey. So for example, if we want to go with Shapeshifter on Euro AUD, all right, you're going to see here on this chart, okay, we can see the strategy already coming in. It marks out the zones for you, gives you a signal of when to buy and when to sell. I can actually zoom in and make this a little bit clearer for you here. Okay, so if we want to go with T-Wave, okay, for example, let's go with Diego on T-Wave. All right, and you can see the signals here. It's going to come up with a volume meter. It's going to come up with all the different parts of what the learning section is going to show you or give you the signal of what you want to do, and you simply buy or sell. You can change the minutes, everything on it. It's super customizable. But guys, you're not going to be able to know what to do until you go to the learn section and learn about this. The Breakfast Breakout, their biggest ever success with a strategy was the Breakfast Breakout until they started developing more. Learn the basics, learn Forex, all these different things. And guess what? The first company in the world that I have looked at that the actual trader does the videos for you. They don't hire someone. They don't get an educator. The actual master trader, Greg Secker, is doing it for you. Now, leading on to Greg Secker. Okay, you can see him here, right? You type in Greg Secker in Google, you can see absolutely unbelievable gentleman. I've met him, fully transparent in everything he does, like I said. When I got there, he actually just got back from paying around $9 million for a village to be built for people that just do not have the accessibility that we have. Things like that are absolutely fantastic. And he's been trading for a long time. Okay, go over to his website, read exactly about what he does. He's an entrepreneur, master trader, philanthropist, and of course, international speaker. Like I said, I had the pleasure of actually speaking to this man for multiple hours. He took the time out. I actually walked in, he was on a meeting, took the time out to come and speak to me and just show me exactly why I should be showing this to my community. Guys, he's an incredible gentleman, and the things he's doing, not just for SmartCharts, like learn to trade, okay, is absolutely incredible. So do not rest on a thought that maybe, is this person trying to swindle me? Is this person doing this? Because there is zero chance that you will find someone more experienced, with a better team around them, and with an absolute transparent mindset of where they want to bring the community to. And trust me, 44,000 people around that are absolutely killing it inside of the Greg Secker ecosystem. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I'm going to be making hundreds of these videos. Just wanted to give you a quick, comfortable video to know that when I talk about SmartCharts, Learn to Trade, or the Greg Secker Foundation, you know exactly why, because I went to the office, I got the information, I saw what I saw, and now I'm going to deliver it to you. So get ready for this, guys. It's going to be amazing. Hit the like, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell to be notified. I'll see you next time.